Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a vision from Avengers Infinity War. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his brow area first. So this is going to be right between the eyes. This actually is just part of his pattern. So we're going to draw, just kind of come out, and then in here that's where his eye is going to be. So we're going to draw two little line. Right, so it's a little bit long, it's going to be a little cartoony, and then on the bottom I'm going to draw a little line as well. And I'm just going to shade it in for the eyeball. So it's a very narrow eye. Okay, and then from here we're just going to come down and just going to draw a little nose, just a little angle like this. We're going to keep it simple. And then we're going to come down, just draw a line for his mouth, his lip. And then on the bottom we're going to draw one little line. And then on top, we're just gonna give a little bit of these, almost like two little mountain peaks. Okay, so those are the features, and now we're gonna draw in the side of his face. So from here, right around the corner of his eye, right here, we're gonna come down about to where his mouth is, and then we're gonna turn it in. Okay, and then we're gonna close it off. It's gonna be his chin. And then on his chin, we can add in some detail right now. So we just are adding a little bump like that. And then from here, we can add in this line here. Okay, so these are just markings on his face. I come down. And then this one's just gonna go up. All right. So let's move on to the top of his face. So on the side here, just kind of come out a little bit and then come back in. So we're going to give it a little bump. And now we're going to draw in. We're going to go up. And then the space here, we're going to come down to the middle. Okay, so that's part of his head. And then now we can add in another line here. So from this line, just kind of continue it up. So these are just markings on his face. And then let's draw one more here, up. There's a little bit more, but we gotta keep it simple. All right, so from here, now we can draw in this little earpiece. Just come out and go back in. And now we're gonna go all the way up. Just kind of follow the same curves that we drawn earlier. So this will complete his head. All right, so it's a little bit tricky. Hopefully it's not too bad. So let's move on to his neck. So we're going down. So from here, we just kind of go straight down. Come out just a little bit. And then he's got this shoulder pad thing. So we're gonna come down. And then again to the center, just close that off. All right, so now we got drawing the shoulder pad, so we can go up a little bit on both sides. And then now we're just gonna come straight across. Okay, and then we're gonna pinch it all the way down. This is gonna be to his waist. Turn it a little bit. Just come down, turn it a little bit. All right, so he doesn't have a belt, so we'll just stop there for now. And then let's finish up the top here. So right in the middle here, let's draw a little diamond shape. Okay, and then we're gonna go up and then just follow the same line here that we drawn earlier. Same direction. And then this goes out, so that's gonna be his shoulder pad. Okay, and then in here, let's add in a little bit of detail. So just drawing a line here and then go to his chin. And then on the middle here, we're gonna add just one more, two little lines, and then we'll pinch it to a point again. All right, and then here's some more patterns right here. So we're gonna come in and down, and then we're just gonna give this some thickness. So we're gonna come across and just follow the same direction. Alright, so that's pretty much the upper body. So let's draw his arm. So right here, shoulder coming out. Here's the armpit. Curve, curve. It's the elbow area right here. Come out a little bit. I'm gonna close it off, and then we're gonna flare this one out because he's got these gloves. So just flare it out a little bit, and then we're gonna pinch it back in. Close it. Now for his fist, so we're gonna come down, just curve it. That's his thumb. Back of the hand, and then the fingers curving inwards. Okay, so we're gonna draw the other side, which is kind of the same. Shoulder, armpit area, biceps, elbow, go out, close it. Now we're gonna extend the line, pinch it in, close it. So we're gonna come down. So you can use this as a guide so you know how far to go down. The back of the hand, fingers curling in. Okay, so that's the top of the body. So let's move on to his legs. So here, could be a little bit tricky. Let's see, let's come down a little bit, and then we'll draw in just a little rectangle here. So this is right at his hip. Okay, and then in the middle, we're gonna come down a little bit, just draw a little line there. And I'm gonna have his legs kind of straight, just make it look like he's floating. So we're gonna come out, his legs, and then his knee's gonna be right here, and just curve it, just close it off. So same thing on the other side, so we're gonna come down. So continue this line, go out, come back in. His knee, just curve it. Okay, and then let's see, let's finish up his legs, which will be a little bit easier than the rest. So we're gonna curve it out, curve it in. Okay, this is his ankles right here, so we're gonna come straight out a little bit, his foot. Just kind of flare it out, and then we're gonna pinch it in. Out, in, this is ankle area. So it's the same, so you can use this as a guide. Flare it out a little bit, and we just kind of pinch it back in. And he's got some details on his boots, so we're gonna go up on the sides and just close that off. So we're gonna go up and then just close it off. And if you want to, there's a little bit more detail. We can draw a line here. Just make it look a little bit cooler. Right down to his ankle. All right, so, and then for his cape, it's gonna be pretty easy. So just kind of come down anywhere from his arm. So right here, just gonna flare it out. And then we just kind of close it off with a nice curve, and you can make it a little bit flowy. And I know he's got a lot of patterns here, so we can just draw two lines like this. We're not gonna draw too much pattern, so it's just a little messy. So just draw two more lines like that, maybe two more going this way. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing on pretty much on the other side. So we're gonna come down, thick line, and then we're gonna go up, slant it up, and then this one just slant it down toward his hands. And that is it for this Vision character in Avengers Infinity War. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.